Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking this video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own closure wig, how to secure it without using glue, and also how to measure the size of your wig cap. So guys, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. So our first measurement is going to be from front to back, and make sure as you measure this, make sure you note it down so that you don't end up confusing, because you don't want your cap to be small or too big. And then the second measurement is going to be from ear to ear, and then at the nape of your neck, and then from temple to temple, just on your hairline. So we're going to transfer the measurement to the mannequin, and from front to back it was 14 inches. And that is exactly what I'm going to measure. So guys, if your head front to back is 14, just mark 14. Don't mark 13 because you want your cap to be small or want it to fit, well, because it will be too tight and it won't be comfortable. Then I'm marking from ear to ear. My ear to ear it was 13 inches. And then the nape of my neck it is 5 inches. And then from temple to temple, or on my hairline is 12 inches. And then you're going to pin the cap exactly where the pins were. So guys, you'd rather have a bigger cap than a small cap, because if it's bigger you can just adjust it, or you can just use a band to make it, fit you. But if it's smaller and tighter, that will be so uncomfortable. So it's good just to follow your measurement. So the hair I'll be working with is from Panse Hair. I'll put all the details in the description box down below just in case you're interested. It was 3 bundles, 20, 18, and 16 inches, and a closure of 14 inches. It came with these lashes and a band. Pin down the closure and sew it on the cap, and then you can use any type of thread that you have. But then when it comes to the needle, I prefer if you use the curved needle, because it's just easier working with the curved needle. Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. For the bundles, I'm going to start with 20, 18, 16, and then closure 14. And then when it comes to stitching, you can just use any method of stitch as long as it's nice and tight. So I'd advise not to cut the weft, because if you do that you might experience shading. So I'd prefer if you use the fold method. So guys, I'm on my last bundle, 16 inches, and then I'm going to go through the cap, the track, and then the closure, and then just sew through. When sewing down, just make sure the track is on the closure. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. So cut the cap and be gentle not to cut the lace or the stitches. This hair was so full. If it's not 150, then it's 180. I had a piece left. And then it fits so well on my head because I measured the size of my head, so it fits so well. But still, I'll have to use a band and combs just to make it more secure on my head. I'm going to sew these combs on it to make it more secure. I got these combs from AliExpress. Then for the band, you're going to mark where the closure starts, like that. And then you're going to take a band and pull it to where you mark. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm just pulling the band to where I'd marked, where the closure starts on both sides. This part you have to be sure, you don't want your cap to be too tight or too loose, because if it's too tight then you will have headaches. So just make sure the band is the right size. And then I'm going to sew the I've already sewn the combs on the cap, and then I'm going to sew the band on the closure, like at the end of the closure. So after you're done, you'll have something like this. Like this is a complete wig. It's ready for sale, it's ready to wear. Hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. So one thing I loved about this hair is the volume. Like even after I sprayed water on it, because this hair is water wave, even after I sprayed water on it, like I could still see the volume. And then also the closure looks like a frontal. Like right now someone can think this is a frontal, and it's a closure. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. To find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. So guys, this is the hair when you decide like not to spray water on it. This is the hair. Like it's just I'm so impressed. Like it just looks so perfect. And guys, remember all the details for this wig are in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, check the description box down below. And so that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Mwah. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.